my channel. Now let's see how to edit your picture to cartoon picture. Watch my video without skipping. Then only you can understand how to edit your photo. First, go to the Play Store. And type Toon app. Download the Toon app. Click continue, 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 continue. Then you will get an subscription. Don't click that, click the X mark. Then allow. Then choose your photo. Then click Toon app. Continue to app. Crop your picture. Then click the arrow mark. Then they will show we are drawing your cartoon. So you have to wait till that. It will just take 1 minute. Then you will get again the subscription. Then you can see small arrow mark. Click that. Now your photo is ready. Now if you want, you can erase your background. You can change the thickness to big or small as you wish. Now minimize your photo and keep it correctly to the background. And there are more options available here. Also you can change the color. Now you can see some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you click, the background will change to animated background. Once it is done, don't click apply, because if you click apply, the watermark will come. So take a screenshot and crop it. Now crop it correctly. Now your cartoon photo is ready. Hope my video was useful to you.